Hey everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to take you along with me. I have a lot of stuff that I have to do. I'm going to get a haircut. It's crazy looking. It's been a year and a half since I got a haircut, and I'm going through the perimenopause. I'm sure a lot of y'all are going through that too, so you know. Your hair changes. It's all wavy. It never used to be like that. And the symptoms are insane. What symptoms are you guys having of perimenopause? You can write those down in the comments. For me, it's forgetting my words. Like if I'm talking, I'm forgetting my words, or if it's not in the calendar, it ain't happening. And my hair's changing, and smelling cigarette smoke like everywhere. Anybody else having that symptom of perimenopause? Oh, isn't it lovely? Anyway, so tomorrow I have a lot of cleaning to do in the house and get it ready for my daughter's 11th birthday. Her party's on Saturday, so today is Thursday. And I'm going to take you along with me. So let's go get my hair cut. Hey everybody, I just got done getting my hair done. I think it looks so much better. I needed to get my hair done. It was a long time coming. She always does a good job. I always go to the same place, and it looks so much better. Well, let's get home. I got a lot of stuff to do today. I got to clean the house. So let's go. All right, so I'm going to start with vacuuming. Let's get it done.
Took a bite, and now I'm filled up. I don't know where you are tonight. Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. I took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right. Cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but no, I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. 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 You fuel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive.
Okay, I don't know how this got so bad, full of dust, because I do it probably every 2 weeks or so, but this is gross.
I thought you loved me. Ooh, I honestly thought that you loved me. So why would you make me go to stupid parties with your homies? When you know I'm way too shy to function right. When you know I'll probably mess up your night, baby. Ooh, I really need for you to save me. 'Cause right now
Y'all, I could have made another pet with all of the hair that was under this couch.
I got severe social anxiety, one of many fears that you don't get. And I know you don't want me to end up alone. But if tonight is just for sure, I'm much better off all on my own. So baby, yeah baby, ooh, I really need for you to save me. Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Daisy, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna hit home. I don't wanna talk to anybody, I don't wanna know your hobbies, so we'll wait down in the lobby, then head home. And I know you wanted me to meet your friends, but I'm so tired of trying to play pretend. Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Daisy, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna hit home. Like to get away from here, Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Daisy, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna hit home. I don't wanna talk to anybody, I don't wanna know your hobbies, so we'll wait down in the lobby, then head home. And I know you wanted me to meet your friends, but I'm so tired of trying to play pretend. Everybody's dancing, going crazy, kinda rap along with Daisy, but I'm feeling kinda spacey. I just wanna hit home. I saw your face in a big crowd, and now it's all I think about. I've had some leads, but nothing found. A puzzle I can't figure out. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I've got myself stuck with an impossible task. Looking through my files and I'm checking the news. I'm trying everything I can to get back to you. I'm in pursuit.
gonna go now just with the Method Lavender Scented Spray. I love the smell of this stuff. It smells so springy. Are you guys ready for spring? I started decorating about 3 weeks ago, but that was before I decided to start a YouTube channel, which I'm having so much more fun doing. I wish I did this 2 years ago when I originally wanted to start doing that. And it's been a lot of fun since I started. So do you guys, anybody collect any blue and white transferware? I love thrifting those. That is one of my other hobbies. So I'm thinking my next video, I'm going to do a go to 3 Goodwills with me. There's 3 in my town that I live in, and it's been a while since I've been to the Goodwill. Is that something that you guys would be interested in seeing in the next video? Please let me know in the comments.
I'm in pursuit. That's right. I'm in pursuit. I'm in pursuit. I'm in
Stuff that I'm bagging up right now is stuff that has to get donated to the Goodwill. So here is a video of some of the blue and white transferware that I collect. I decorated it for spring. What do you guys collect? Please leave it in the comments. And thank you for joining me today. I'll see you in the next one.